Okay, this is just a quick example of the Expert I/O being controlled from Visual Basic for applications. Here I've got Excel, and you can see the macro is running inside of Excel. I've got a cell that shows the output port and one that shows the input port. Over here, we've got the Expert I/O. We got bit 1 of this port, this output port, connected to this LED, bit 2 to this LED, and for inputs we've got bits 7 connected to this switch and bit 6 connected to this switch. So if we run the macro with the value of 6 on the output, that has both LEDs lit. We've got both inputs set high, so that gives us a 255. If we set the top input bit 7 low and we run the script, you can see that the input changed to 254. If we set the other bit low, run the script again, the inputs changes to 252. And if we set the output, say to a 4, we run the macro, you can see that the left LED turned off. If we set it to a 0, we should see the other LED turn off. So you can see that VBA is working to control the Expert I/O.